Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you the best way how we can buy eSim in Austria and how we can get eSim in Austria. So there are two ways how we can do it. The first way, in my opinion, the best way is using the Maya Mobile. Maya Mobile is eSim provider that is going to allow you to get eSim in Austria, and I'm going to guide you through the whole process. So when I would come here to Maya Mobile, here I would click search and write Austria. Okay, Austria eSim, and you have option to have between 5 days, 10 days, 15 days, and 30 days. So let's say that you're going to go for 15 days, and you see right here 10 GB of data is going to be 14 USD, or 3 GB of data is going to be 8 USD. What you have to do now is to click activate now, and then you're going to get a discount from me, 10% as a lower price. You see right here that you can even save money. You can of course change the days and have an auto recharge. How does it work is that you're gonna get then a QR code to your email that you have to scan with your phone. I made a full tutorial down below in the description that you can check out on how you can activate the eSim. So one important thing that I definitely recommend to do is to go to help and actually check compatible phones if your phone is compatible. So if you can find your phone here, then you can easily use eSim. Another thing that I really like to do is that I always come here and I come here to, let's say, Austria, and I check the coverage. You can see the coverage right here. Okay, how much is actually Austria covered by Maya Mobile, because Maya Mobile is connected to the local networks. So here you can have Vienna, and here I can have Vienna, right? So that's about it. Another way how we can do it is that when you would use Airalo, also discount and everything down below in the description. And here I'm going to write Austria. And here you can have 1 GB, 3 GB of data, 5 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB. The pricing is similar. So let's say here is 10 GB for 30 days. And here is, look at this, 10 GB for 30 days, 15 USD. So even with Maya Mobile is cheaper comparing to like Airalo. And here when I would click here, then you see that they got same network. So the network is same. So it's all, the only one difference between Airalo and Maya Mobile, in my opinion, is that with Airalo, you can have option to even install the app. So you can have app. With Maya Mobile, you don't have it. Yes, you can connect to the site of Maya Mobile and then check it out, all the important things. But with the Airalo, you're gonna have app. So that's about it. And on both, you can have links down below in the description as the tutorials. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.